Ethereum price has fallen to the lowest of the week at 32.62 with a 6% drop. The Ethereum value has continuously followed a downtrend from the 2nd of March after following the price fall of Bitcoin. It has a market cap of 398,457,957, which also did 2% from earlier. An unfortunate 80 phases, though Bitcoin price has improved today, Ethereum has failed to do so. A well-known trader, Peter Brandt, has also presented his disappointment with Ethereum, and in an X post he mentioned that he's tired of telling others that ETH is a progress junk coin and lacks all the fundamental qualities necessary for the long-term success of the token. I get tired of saying it, but ETH is a junk coin despite mindless devotion of Etheridiots. As a store of value, it is junk. A BTC pretender, its functionality is also junk. It's difficult to deal with L2s. And outrageous gas fees, of course. It will always attract investors. Peter Brandt, to April 4th, 2024, it raises the question of what is happening with Ethereum and whether it will recover to the $4,000 mark. Let's discuss that in this blog. As Bitcoin has a huge impact on the performance of all altcoins, a Bitcoin recent price recovery should be impacting Ethereum in a better way. Though the hourly chart of Ethereum reveals a price support around $3,200 price. If the buyer can maintain the hodl around that, there's a chance of recovery. But if the day ended with a value lower than the support, bearish trend might continue for Ethereum and fall lower to the $3,000 mark. An analyst who goes by Crypto.Prof has presented an interesting chart analysis. According to him, the biggest altcoin season is about to begin, which people have not experienced since 2017. This analysis claims a relationship between ETH and BTC, which has displayed a wedge pattern in this pair. Technically, such wedge patterns result in bullish situations. Along with mentioning this, Crypto.Prof talked about the power trend line of the wedge, which might result in a bullish breakout. Altcoins, ETH BTC reaches the lower trend line of the falling wedge. We may see a fake out, but I wouldn't bet on it. Either way, the whole chart looks pretty exciting. As their biggest alti-sum's over, we might know how to talk about is ahead of us emotive. But it's not just, it's kind of all you need, patience. L_Crypto.Prof, April 5th, 2024. Many analysts have put their reputation at stake and have claimed that Ethereum's price will spike within a few months of Bitcoin halving. On analyzing the Ethereum price movement during all the previous Bitcoin halving, a price surge was definite in the graphs. During the last halving, ETH's price surged by 106%. At the time of halving, the price was $210, but in the next 3 months, the price surged to $433. Along with expressing their excitement for the post-halving price surge, a few have also commented about the price situation if the SEC denied spot Ethereum ETF. Jupiter saying the pro-guide money will happen to build the research hashkey capital. If the ETF is denied, it will not be that bearish, as the market has been pricing it yet, and we still have Bitcoin ETFs as the entrance in 4 traditional funds. He also mentioned that the ETF approval will result in a bullish situation, triggering a price surge with so much happening. There's a good possibility of Ethereum breaking the last high of $4,000 after Bitcoin halving. Ethereum recently made a record of reaching the 4K mark, but missed the ATH. Now, the wait is to see another hike to $4,000 once more before surging to a new all-time high. It has to see how Ethereum will move in the next few months. Read More Trader turned a $100 crypto investment into $8.3 million in a week. Here's how he did it.